Welcome to Discover Agriculture. In today's video, we're diving into the world of integrated chicken farming, a sustainable farming practice that maximizes resources and boosts profitability. Integrated farming involves combining chicken farming with other agricultural activities, creating a symbiotic system where each component supports the other. Ready to learn how you can turn your farm into an efficient, eco-friendly operation? Let's get started. Integrated chicken farming is more than just raising chickens. It's about creating a balanced ecosystem. Chickens can be integrated with crops, fish, or livestock, where the byproducts of one component are used to benefit another. Reduces waste, cuts down on feed costs, improves soil fertility, and increases overall farm productivity. A well-thought-out farm layout is crucial for integrated farming. Here's how to plan. Divide your farm into zones for chickens, crops, and other livestock or aquaculture. Keep the chicken coop close to other farming activities to make resource sharing easier. Ensure proper drainage and water management, particularly if integrating with fish farming. One of the most common integrations is chickens with crop farming. Chickens provide natural pest control, and their manure is a fantastic fertilizer. Choose crops that benefit from natural fertilization like maize, vegetables, or fruit trees. Implement rotational grazing to prevent overgrazing and ensure even distribution of manure. Fish farming can be effectively combined with chicken farming, creating a nutrient-rich system. Build fish ponds near the chicken coop so that chicken droppings can be used to fertilize the water, promoting algae growth, which serves as fish feed. Monitor water quality to ensure it supports both the fish and the nutrient cycle. Chickens can also be integrated with larger livestock like cows or goats. Use chicken manure to enhance the compost used for feeding larger livestock. Chickens can help control pests around livestock, such as flies and ticks. An efficient chicken coop is key to successful integrated farming. Ensure the coop is well ventilated and provides enough space for chickens to move freely. Regularly clean the coop and use the manure as fertilizer or pond feed. Use kitchen scraps, crop residues, and insects as supplementary feed to reduce costs. Regular monitoring is essential to ensure the integration is functioning smoothly. Regularly check the health of your chickens, crops, fish, and livestock. Periodically test soil fertility and adjust the integration plan as needed. Maintain detailed records of inputs and outputs to evaluate the efficiency of the system. Integrated chicken farming is a smart, sustainable way to boost farm productivity while minimizing environmental impact. By carefully planning and managing each component, you can create a thriving farm ecosystem that supports itself. Whether you're a small-scale farmer or running a larger operation, integrated farming offers a path to more sustainable and profitable farming. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to Discover Agriculture for more innovative farming techniques and tips. Don't forget to like, share, and comment below if you found this video helpful.